Today I'm going to change out my coolant reservoir on my '09 BMW 335i. It's got a leak and I need a new one. Let's get into it. Got this new jug on Amazon. Comes with the sensor in it and a new cap with the new O-ring, so I'm probably going to use that. I'll put a link in the description for where I bought it. Got two 10 millimeters right here. You want to pop this top hose off. You pop this clip up, don't lose it. If you're going to reuse it, you could replace it, but I replaced this one not too long ago. And you got to do a lot of wiggling to get it off. But I got that one off. I'm going to lift it up out of there and get the bottom one off next. This vacuum unit needs to come out of the way. There's a 10 here. You'll need a long extension to get that out. There's a 10 at the bottom. As you're lifting it up, you're going to see the sensor. Just want to unplug that guy. Then we got to get the lower hose unclipped and wiggle it loose. Bottom hose was a bit of a bear, but once you get it moving, it's good. It's okay. You want to transfer that little vacuum hose clip back onto here. Just pry it off the old one with a screwdriver. So as we're setting it in, we're going to connect the lower hose first. Then we're going to connect the sensor. We're going to put it in place, then connect the upper hose, and then put the two 10 millimeters back in. And then we'll put our vacuum unit back in. Got the lower hose snapped on. You'd have been able to see that anyway. And then get the sensor snapped on. I am going to use the new one because that other one's been in there probably since this car was made. I think it was original. Alright, so we're gonna, there's a little tit right here you got to put into the insert. Rubber insert that holds it, and it's a guide, and then you're going to pop your two 10s in, slide this guy on, snap that down, good to go. Using a long double extension with a magnetic 10 millimeter. Get this little guy down here in. I only put one in because it holds it fine. I actually dropped the other one a long time ago on another job. And moved it in, or picked it up once I moved the car out of the way. Love these Milwaukee tools. I've had them for years. I bought a kit that had a whole bunch of them and some batteries and chargers. I'll put a link in the description for the ones I bought if you guys are interested. They come in very handy.